Hello everyone! We are all familiar with the incredible utility of drones in today's world, ranging from photography, delivery service, to search and rescue missions. But what if drones are used inappropriately to invade privacy or security? That is where anti-drone guns like ND-BD003 Handheld anti-drone system come into play. Today I'm here and excited to introduce you to our anti-drone gun, ND-BD003. But first, you might wonder what an anti-drone gun is. In simple terms, an anti-drone gun is a device designed to counter unauthorized drones within protected areas. Our ND-BD003 isn't just a traditional anti-drone gun. It is a special kind known as an handheld all-in-one CUAS. Why do we call it all-in-one? It is because our ND-BD003 integrates detection, countermeasure, display, control, and power supply all in one single portable device. It means that while other traditional jammers need to be used in combination with an external detector, the operators can use our ND-BD003 to perform both detection and jamming flexibly. Thanks to its compact design and lightweight build, ND-BD003 is exceptionally flexible, making it an ideal choice for a wide range of application scenarios. Whether you need to safeguard low-altitude areas or important sites, conduct daily patrols, or secure critical events and spotting activities, ND-BD003 stands as your reliable solution.